Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power is safe and your network is compatible. Turn off the breaker, remove the old switch, and inspect wiring. Why do this? Because correct line, load, and ground identification prevents damage. Once done, power the panel back on briefly to verify voltage if you need to, then power off again. Make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi and the manufacturer app is installed because setup requires app-driven pairing and credentials. You now wire the new Wi-Fi switch. Attach line to the live terminal, load to the fixture terminal, neutral to neutral bundle, and ground to ground. Tighten connections. Loose connections cause flicker or failure. Once wired, restore power and confirm the physical switch toggles the light. This confirms correct wiring. After that, use the app to enter Wi-Fi credentials and place the switch into pairing mode. The app guides you through local authentication and finalizing device registration to your network. You finish by assigning a clear name and room in the app, then test schedules, scenes, and voice assistant integration. This prevents confusion later. Make sure firmware updates are applied. Updates fix bugs and improve security. If remote control works, call it complete. If something goes wrong, reset the switch per the manual, confirm your phone is on the 4 GHz network, and retry pairing. Many failures are due to 5 GHz only phones or incorrect password entry. Recheck wiring if physical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.